Mamema Akwaba Ever Ghana and Sem TV GH. Mesra will like, comment, subscribing. Turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, Usambe Kabi. Ebusiafo, there is one thing that we must pay attention to. And I, for one, have been saying it over and over and over. I say, I don't know. I don't know whether it's because of the danger I see ahead. We are allowing a tribal sentiment to encroach into our body politics. Tribal sentiment. And he's an Ewe, he's an Akan, he's a Nordina, or a Fentini, or a Sese, or a Gunjani. And the moment as a people, we start doing politics on those lines, we are heading towards doom. Anyeshia, we have the example of Rwanda. We all saw what happened in Rwanda, the genocide. Tribal issues were. But I don't know. I say, this second coming of John Mahama, His Excellency, any NDC forward there, one thing that they have made it a point to come and rule or govern by, the divide and rule tactics. Yeah. In almost everything they do, you see, say they want to cause confusion, they want to cause division amongst us. Whatever their interests, I cannot tell. Ebi amujin say I before ekasa the tia e kind of say I can for and no mama winning votes or minti. But as a people, we must know say no. They are leading us in a very dangerous path. Omo leading in a very, very dangerous path. And the earlier we call them and hold them accountable and say, this is not how our body politics is. We don't believe in name calling. We don't believe in tribal lines. And our Avoterians are like this, Otifo are like that, Ashantifo are like this, Achimfo are like this, Gonjafo are like this, Nzemafo. We don't believe in those things. Because moja baku nefa yemu. Moja baku nefa yemu. We don't decide where we are born. I am an Ewe. In my next word, I will be an Ewe again. Because I love being an Ewe. I'm a proud Voltarian. Obi Akenni, that person is a proud Akan. Uyanishi or say kutu say bam. No problem. We are all proud of our origins. But where we are coming from should not become a reason why we should not be allowed to talk. Kasa will say, okay, quiet, what do you know? Kasa say, keep quiet, we are something, what do you know? And that is what is happening now in the body politics. And I understand people now who are coming out, who are now beginning to also speak. And sometimes when they speak, even though I'm an aware and I'm hurt at some of the things they say, but I understand them because you cannot keep pushing people to the wall and expect them not to bounce back. And to Jifa Abla Gomashie, Minister of Terrorism, who constituency she inkoso constituency name. Any NDC constituency you go to Okujeto Ablakwa's constituency is the poorest in Volta region. Okujeto Ablakwa, the constituency, poorest in Volta region, nothing to show for. Jifa Abla Gomashie, I think K2 South, nothing. Afla nothing to show for. Underdeveloped. Ni Nkrofo na nso yi omui. Ebra Akufo-Addo, you were using even that natural occurrence to speak ill of MPP government. Udi propaganda. And now party aba. Tidal waves, they are still removing people from their homes. To South. What is the Abla Gomashie doing about it? Instead, what tenacity Channel 1 TV? Can't say who here? Trying to cause division. You don't know how such tribal things and go for Ghana, we are very divided when it comes to languages. So almost every 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, you are meeting a new language. Even those of us in Volta region here, the Ewe alone, when I meet people from the southern part speak the Ewe, it confuses me. When the Anglos are speaking the Ewe, it will confuse you. So languages It is God that is holding the fabric of this nation together. And I don't know why we are allowing NDC to jeopardize that. We have to be careful. We ought to be very, very careful, because we are sitting on a ticking time bomb. Or the earlier we advise ourselves, the better. Let's listen to some of the replies that came from no more accounts. I was seeing
Minister of Tribalism. Lazy. Me baniso. Maame na kokwa akatia tie si ni tia no na. Won ko pedro nya no. Jifa Gomashie utiri na aka tu na wo sole na de wig akwasha so ubo ayi. Ye ka do obo de ba de sa de singles no. Rasta. Jifa Gomashie won fa wo kwasi asem ankope ba bia ntina. Wanim sasempo wa ti oba fu oba tantan. Wo Jifa Gomashie umpa kanfo asem so kura wo ko school wo St. Louis. Akamfo mem akamem na wo ko school. I don't want aflawo ho. What is aflawo? Wanya Ghana ni nso. Wanya Ghana ni. Wo fi aflawo na ni ku no ko fa ni free wo ni ku NDC ni no. Wo ko omuko o se abato obeso a. No ma ko wa ko se satogofo na begu. Wo mu ko no hu Jifa Gomashie a. What all kan pele. No otam de ne ba Ghana be ware no. Jifa Gomashie wo wa ba Ghana e betiti yentam. Ye be ko back to aflawo. Udu na be perform no ko back to aflawo. Jifa Gomashie kwasi ampani ba bo Jimmy Minister of Tribalism ye be kire ye ntina ho ti se na mokoye na mo ne enkrofo bi ko hye ho a ye nuanom asantifo ne bunufo kokontokwa de geden no. Jifa Gomashie we ye nuanom ahunafo wo ne be ba wo so wo Jifa Gomashie eno Mahama Jimmy ne asie nu nketia na wo chinchima sa aboso no mo ne be ba mo so nkwasiafo ye chichiri o mind ama mo se mo metena so. What Master say papa we Lawrence Tete and didn't come back out for the past 1 month in here. And no kwatena just by station so can say insult is nonsense. So be a radio station. Accra no akatwi. When we are no and I mame no ye Lindo Kuluna wa pon ni mame ni man kokon na fo kokon no. Eko jina ka say ye bebo work on northern region as a punishment. Ade anchi ena Jifa Gomashie akogina say wo katwi ya we lazy ye mpese e besua kasa foforo
omo kasa na ye papa be na obi
na me se Jifa Gomashie kwasie busa ye tie kurom na wo free aflawo what why we ye kurom ye nka ukurom aflawo kasa no ye nka ukurom aigbe no. Jifa Gomashie we kwasia papa we ye chimifo twifo na wo se mayenka twi no twifo na wo mpaya asem no ye wo ye record of voter region ye wo ye record of aflawo ho no aboa Jifa Gomashie senke ya anya Ghana yie ene ya anya voter region ya enka befru krom aflawo na eho wires electric wires ina ne na modem electric wires abontin wires ene na modem kwasia Jifa Gomashie Ukroma flower, electric wires, and to say, Ahoma, a hata soniema. Among flower videos, Moko, and you're trying to meet you. Uko wires need to send your hata Ahoma, and Yama Homaso. Kwasia Jifa Gomashie Kurasinia boa punching. And this need Jimmy for. Whoop voter region, one and Yama MPPI ho. Can we end this record? Yashi and record. Fellas. Ma only me time mama me. Wo voter regional. You has phase 2. Ye papa na nado ni o katwi no. Wone na ye MPP party na mo se mo pay ni mahwe no. MPP party ye nuanuma angunafo kan je gbedema ka ho. Enso Rollins see akiti ye
apalu say omo kwowo omo oye omo hania obekun sisi a. There was a lady not autonomous. And this lady was pregnant. She was pregnant. And this corner and yeah, C-section. Mrs. C-section no try instant everything. Onuso olusu aklano. And then no yale no mo didn't call confanoche or me see or didn't call confanoche no. Doctors no more confanoche no say ni kunu report ni achi no. Then time at a meals time, who or this ni who see their coach sister we just like that.
Oh, no.
And it's sad or you're very foolish. Just he don't deserve our bon kasa. So when we come here, I have seen the Nikra ni my dear chair. Sa nawani no. Enti no omo bu Ghana health workers now. Omo matna ho esua they have cracked their brains and they know no. Now who as a government in power who you serious how can you appoint somebody onye jumada ye busan say die juno an waya or see dining hall prophet. Is dining hall prophet a job? On two quite that or two I can't on call baby or who say when you experience in terms when it comes to a healthcare system or need any knowledge about it. And what appointing such a person so on yet as a health minister and any day on he don't know what he's trying to do and old chifa doctors in nurses Ghana we deserve it because we don't vote on our sense. We vote say debia yet why yankwana ye pese obi kan some de gu yasum before we will go and vote. Na senka ye yusu ye brain ye IQ ni ye juma. Inka those people don't deserve to be in government. How exactly. No? But ye nipa bia mi nim se dia papa neka say NDC for Ghana for ndo NDC. But our problem is our chiefs are corrupt, our pastors are corrupt.
Mm-hmm.
And then the most people that they have to speak for the vulnerable people are the most corrupt. That's the so-called journalists.
Exactly.
They are the most corrupt people. The first corruption. Ghana, when you look at the corrupt people, they are more corrupt than even the politicians.
It's true.
And in Ghana, no, we have long way to go. Anytime there, I just look and say, where this country is going. Yeah, Ghana is more bankasa. Nanka ye ready IQ a year. And Togo, just common Togo. Togo kroketwa we kra biti Ghana. Come on. Too sad. Too sad. Last time any dynamic teacher said immortal mortality. Anko for ewu
900 almost 1,000.
900. Ube he Facebook na we obama pa no su ni yirewu. Why? Because we have voted for wrong people, corrupt people which they don't have no idea. Omu to point that into ye dim omu nim any vision bia say ye fa mo man eno an say omu panyin no odi anim no ye wi nti o grab nti omu nyina obia grab left and right their stomach everywhere and omu di kum ekro no Ghana their maestro yeah mobo ekro ni die yeah mobo ankasa yeah mobo na say ye nsue nyansa NDC be used to Ghana for to the point to say, I don't know, me nim the basic because now na one way we be kasa me say if you can't leave, if you can't stay, leave. What the hell?
If you are tired, leave, resign.
You resign and go. What? Me say or buy not Dunkwa government hospital. But I'm go no I find cat na wani. Do no wo Dunkwa government hospital free Cuba buy baby e dey buy any do. No onim she or buy Cape Coast. Omo dey call Cape Coast interbeting. Nti e ho no na ye dispatch o ma ni na ye baby e dey man ni Dunkwa district hospital. Me see that time na doctor say or na doctor back or did the menya or ya anwreni. Omo tiny because no nimu she. Nti omo tiny ni no di jai edwuma o free government work nim. No di koye ono ane private. And o standing MP e wo Dunkwa. Omo anto ama no di ko ni krom ho a ni omo krom ho de said there is obi o abeko obi a se bi apanche krom beto ama. No, call no akodi MP and then when you say brofo crown ti on me can
Yeah, brofo crown to go and I did
on to me expressing no.
Yeah.
Nana dear.
Well, mine or because I said, me say,